welcome back to my channel. This is episode 7 of my design room makeover series.
It's already gone in.
Now, if you watched the previous video to this, you know the drama I went through, the back and forth with this paint situation. If you haven't, you can click the playlist above.
Oh my god, this is a lot.
I really recommend that you watch the playlist, the Fashion Design Studio Makeover. Click above or below and you can watch the whole playlist and you can see how I transformed this space from holes in the wall, wonky walls, to the situation that it is now.
I don't like it. I still don't like it. Oh. So this frost on the window is absolutely cold. I've got the heater on to warm me up. I'll probably leave that on for about an hour. Yeah, it's missing a leg, but you know, it still works, and it's a bit dented. It still works. This place is a mess. This is from all the decorating that I've been doing. Well, not much decorating, just painting this wall, which I do not like. Oh, I'm really pissed off that I painted this wall. I wish I just left it, but it's done now. So I'm just gonna have to rectify it the best way I know how with what I got. So my plan is, let's turn on these lights. My plan is to put I'm gonna keep it painted just to there. I'm not gonna paint beyond here. I'm gonna keep that because I wished I kept the cork here unpainted, but it's done now. What's done is done. So what I'm gonna do is just put all my cuttings from over there, put them all along here. I might even just put it over here, you know, to cover it all up. I might start with this white bit first to cover it up and see how I get on with that, see how that looks, and then put those 3 pictures, frame pictures back up there. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. Okay, so this is the template that I've made for the top of there. So it's gonna go all along there, down there, where the switch is, light switch, along there as well. I might bring it down there, but I'm not sure. But yeah, that's the template. So now all I need to do is stick all of these onto the template. Okay, so I've added the 3 pictures back on the top of the mirror. I think it looks
better, and it kind of draws your eye up, so it makes the room, the ceiling look taller. And I've added my mood board. I've cut it all up. I've cut my mood board into smaller sections and just add it above the window, all along there, above the door, and down to the light switch as well. I need to paint this wooden frame as well, so it looks a bit more tidier, but I think that looks much better overall, and I am happier with it than just the plain white wall, because that was looking really weird. I actually think it gives the room a bit more character, actually, because these are all cut-ins. Well, some of them are cut-ins of my previous photo shoots and previous fashion shoots and exhibitions and stuff, so it's actually quite nice to look back on them. And then some of them are from my mood boards, when I've done like inspiration boards for motivating myself and my wellness, things that are important to me, so it's nice to look back on them as well. Okay, so now I've cleared the backdrop, the wall. All I need to do now is actually add all the posters on. I actually used Google's printing service. I've never used them before. It's the first time. I selected some of my original designs that I've done previous photo shoots, and they've sent me this. So I'm gonna see what they look like. Oh, so it comes wrapped like this. I can see the design already. The color looks good. Hopefully I am happy with it. Let's see. Okay, so it's like a semi-gloss finish. It's not super glossy, but it is glossy. Oh, and that's what it looks like. And I'm just going to put that up there. I'm sure I ordered more than this though. Interesting. There's only one in here. That is insane. No, I definitely ordered more than this. So I'm going to have to call them and see what's going on. Okay, panic over. I found the second parcel. I really thought Google hadn't posted me the other items. So these are smaller. These are A4 size, and I printed 4 of these. Oh yeah, they look good. So basically they're just large photographs. You see it's got a code at the back. You know how you'd get on the photographs. Fuji, Fujifilm, Fuji color crystal archive paper. So that's what they've used. And they look really good. Just first glance, they look really good. So I'm really happy with those. So those, I'm gonna put them and position them on that wall, just like a gallery wall. And I'll show you the layout that I eventually chose. I've done multiple different layouts,
and I did it on the floor. Like I used like old pieces of paper and old envelopes that I wasn't using, that I was just gonna throw away. So I'll show you the layout that I finally went with, and that's what we're gonna put up here.
So this is it. This is option 3 of the gallery wall layout, and I'm really happy with the results. I think it looks really, really good. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you are not subscribed already, please do subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.